Hey everybody, I'm Chris and I'm the founder of Luki Bike Adventures, and today I received a package from our buddy TG. He's the same one who sponsored our little Thrasher bike. They had the series where we fixed that all up, and he sent me a message saying that he I guess did a bunch of upgrades on his bike and had parts left over, and he shipped them to me. So I have not opened the package yet. But let's take a look and see. This knife is very dull. Never cut towards yourself. Let's take a look and see what we got. Got some tires in here. Oh, they're good looking tires. Looks like there's nothing wrong with these tires. Alright, I guess he just wanted some different tires. These look nice. Cool. Let's see. What's in here? Looks like... Oh, that looks like maybe... What is it? Maybe some shifters? Some reflectors. Looks like just kind of a random assortment of things. Well go. Pedals. Ooh. Alright, so we got some pedals. That nice. That will definitely go on some of our bikes. I end up replacing, like most of the bikes need, maybe not all of them, but a lot of them need new pedals. So that's perfect. And so here we have a cantilever brake. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's in pieces, but all right, cool. We got some brakes. This looks like a brake lever Diore. That's the good stuff. This is, I mean, it's not top Shimano, but the Diore stuff is really, really good. That's yeah, it's pretty high up there. That's pretty nice quality stuff. If you get some Diore stuff, you are looking good. This is another brake. And we got some a nice comfy seat. So that'll be good for some of the adults and chaperones and whatnot. Some more gel seat. That'll be nice. Don't know what this is. Oh, looks like, oh nice, a cassette. That's cool. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Looks like, is this a dropper post? Alright, so we got a rack. Cannondale, that's really lightweight. Nate seems to want that. And this is the bag, I'm assuming, that's nice. Yeah, that's a nice bag. Oh yeah, it's like, on the inside is a hard plastic, so it maintains its shape. It's got pockets on the outside. Some more seats. And this looks like, well, maybe it's not a dropper post. Is it? Seems like it's, it looks like one, but, yep, I'll figure that out. But awesome. Yeah. There's a little ring. This is a nice assortment of things that we can definitely use. We can always use, for sure, seats. Like, I buy a lot of seats. Too big for a kid, but there's bigger kids, teenagers, and we also will have, like I said, adult chaperones who are going to be helping out, volunteers. So that'd be awesome for it. And I'd imagine some people who maybe have some, maybe not necessarily disabilities, but like just all body types, all abilities. We want to be able to do this. So that's awesome. Thank you so much, TG. This is some really nice stuff. I'm going to sort through it all a little bit better when, not on camera. I can actually really look at it. But this seems nice. And if you are upgrading from this, then that means you've got a pretty nice bike. If you want to show us your bike, your upgrades that you've done, that might be fun. So, all right, awesome. Thank you everybody who has made donations or supported us in any kind of way. We are well on our way. We are just a couple days away. Actually, by the time you see this video, it would have passed already. Our bike giveaway with Downriver Foster Closet. That's only 2 days away from now, but this will probably be next week sometime seeing it. And then after that, we're only like 3 weeks away from our first real event where we're going to be teaching kids how to ride their bikes and basic bike maintenance. And from there on, we're going to be doing just a bunch of stuff every month. So I'm really excited. We have pretty much everything in place. Like we have no roadblocks at this point. It's just, we're just moving forward and we just have to do it. So thank you everybody who's helped out. Check out all the links below. There may or may not be t-shirts that you can buy. You can always follow us and subscribe and just make donations on our website or Cash App. And thanks for watching.